It seems like nobody's going to study today. This is Pinky, and she is a real zombie. Yup, even students like this want to learn too. As usual, during break time, everyone is busy with their own thing. Barbara and Sandra are taking selfies. No one is paying attention to the strange new girl, but it seems like Pinky has already made a friend. Oh, you look familiar. Fancy meeting you here. Oh no, zombies in the auditorium. But Pinky isn't interested in talking to her classmates. Stories from beyond the grave are much more exciting. Oh, Bony, you are so funny. Talking to a skeleton is so much fun. He seems into it too. The skeleton even waved goodbye. Oh, what a great morning. Sandra and Barbara are shocked. Are you sure we're not in a zombie movie? It seems like Miss Adams decided to give the students a difficult test. It's time to test these slackers' knowledge. Pinky sits in the front row like an excellent student, but she can't even use the pen yet. And here's the test. What am I supposed to do with this? It doesn't make any sense. Or maybe Pinky decided to learn the art of origami? That's enough. Miss Adams is beginning to get tired of all the fuss at the front desk. The others too. And all because an unpleasant smell appeared in the classroom. Ew! Oh, what's this gross slime? Well, Pinky is a real zombie, so that comes with some unpleasant surprises. Yes, she's not a very nice neighbor. Looks like Pinky's stuck. Oh no, she needs a new test sheet. Barbara probably won't be offended. Hey, what are you doing? Give me back my test. Ew, it's slippery. What a nightmare. Miss Adams, looks like it's time for you to step in. So, what's all this noise? Let me take a look at it. Oh no, Miss Adams is in for a sticky surprise. It would be better if she didn't touch the sheet. Gross, I didn't mean to. I'm sorry, it just happened. Pinky is beginning to have another problem. Hunger! Obviously, Pinky isn't quite human. Oh, I'm so hungry! Miss Adams is giving a history lecture, but Pinky doesn't hear a thing. The sounds her stomach is making keeps her from focusing on her studies. What can I eat? All she can think about is food. Oh, I have an idea! I can grab a bite of myself! For zombies, this is a common thing. What a delicious zombie finger! Pinky is happy, as long as Miss Adams didn't notice anything. But no, the teacher even stops the lecture to see who is eating so loudly. Oh, that's a pretty scary sight. No, Eric, don't try to do the same thing. Ouch! It hurts! If you're not a zombie, it won't work. Time for another test. The students aren't happy. Pinky is panicking. Maybe I should try to copy my neighbor's work?
Hey.
But the zombie has a better idea. First, I need to get something. My own eye. Oh, gross! Pinky sends her eye to land on Miss Adams' shoulder. She's ready to take the test. The eye sees all the right answers. Now she has all the valuable information she needs. The test is solved! Nice! Now distract the teacher and get the eye back. But it seems like something went wrong. Oh, what's on my shoulder? Oops! My eye! I need to get my sight back. Has anybody seen my eye? Hey, come on! Help! Are we taking another test? Oh yes, and it's a math test. They are going to have to turn their brains inside out again. As you can see, Pinky already started doing it. Except, unlike the others, she uses her brain to hold her knowledge in the most literal sense. Pinky hides real cheat sheets in it. Ew, what a view! I think the cheat sheet is a little stuck. Yay! I got it out! And Pinky is not the only one happy about it. You don't have to worry about the test. The whole group is saved. Thanks to Pinky and her brain. Anatomy class. So, the skeleton is coming in handy as a visual aid. Pinky has a lot of interest in the bony theme. The structure of the human body is so fascinating. Her classmates aren't into it, but Pinky will learn a lot. Plus, she can be be a visual aid herself. Here, look! I also have a heart! Oh, this is so sweet! Even too much! Yeah, Pinky overdid it! It is better to put your heart back! It's time for a snack! Pinky takes her lunchbox out of her backpack, while her neighbor's trying to eat healthy broccoli. The zombie girl is about to have a much more delicious lunch. What smells so good? The classmates are jealous of Pinky, but she's absolutely not selfish, and she is ready to share it with everyone. These candies with bats are so cute. Pinky is a real friend. Broccoli can't compare to this. Don't you want to be a zombie now, too? Even if Pinky isn't like the other students, she seems to be fitting in really well. And here's Miss Adams. Students, get ready for class. Time for geography. Normal students carry a stack of books. After all, for each subject, you need a different textbook. But Pinky has a different approach. She just needs to replace the course motherboard. A new lesson means a new brain. Hey, so long as it works. But not everyone can get it. Miss Adams is thrilled. This student is amazing. Or maybe that's Magellan's brain? Then it would make sense that she knows so much. It seems like Miss Adams is getting serious about teaching. She calls the class troublemaker to the board. He's a bad boy and all the girls have a crush on him. Sandra is head over heels for his charm and charisma. Why do girls like bad boys so much? It's a mystery. The nerd sitting next to him has no chance to compete with him. It's better to just study and let the bad boy answer at the board. But he's not ready for class again. There's no room in his brain for math. No, Pinky doesn't like guys like that. How can you be so ignorant and lazy? She appreciates intelligence. Okay, what's the point of waiting for an answer from this lazy boy? It's better to call Tyler to the board. He definitely won't let us down. Here's his time to shine. See? This guy knows everything. Miss Adams is impressed, and not just her. Pinky is also delighted. He's so smart. He must be the hero of her novel, her zombie novel. It turns out that for Pinky, the most attractive thing about a guy is his brain. Except the brainiac isn't interested in her. Oh no! This is a zombie drama! No fair! Wow! Everyone is so eager! Everyone wants to answer! Miss Adams doesn't know who to call on. Everyone wants to come to the board. She'll go for Pinky. She's raising her hand so hard. So, you have to write an answer. Usually students use chalk for that, but that's what humans do. Pinky likes to write with a bone. There we go! Scratch the answer on the board. But the sound isn't very nice. Oh no! What's this? Stop it! Pinky, stop doing that! Yeah, I think that's enough. Sit down. You're getting an A. Poor Miss Adams. She's going to get a migraine now. And she's not the only one. And now, chemistry class. You have to be careful during experiments. After all, a lot of these chemicals are toxic. Safety is everything. Miss Adams shows the experiment. The reaction is starting. Looks very interesting. And according to Pinky, it's also delicious. She's just waiting for Miss Adams to turn her back so she can taste these beautiful liquids. Smells great. Mix the cocktail. Yummy! But she's setting a bad example. Barbara, don't do this! You are not a zombie! It's a good thing Miss Adams noticed in time. Stop! Don't you dare drink that! It's very toxic! Barbara's health is safe. We'll have to give Pinky another safety briefing. What is wrong with this undead student? Did you like our story about a zombie in college? Would you like to be in the same class as a real zombie? Tell us in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the bell. Don't miss more sketches about zombies on Troom Select.